So one of the reasons that I didn't want to mess with aftermarket ink, or as far as like a refill right here, is because I don't want to have to deal with the mess and the inconvenience of refilling the bags. But I'm going to show you just how easy it really is. So you're going to take this little container here, and I'll leave a link for this because you're going to need this container specifically. So we're going to take our little funnel. I already have the ink all shook up. Be very careful as to not waste any ink, right? So it's good as gold. All right, now here is where the magic happens. We're gonna press that little clip right here, get this out, take the pouch out of the cartridge here, put it off to the side. Now there's this little I don't even know what this is called. It's like kind of like a clip, right? Put that off to the side, and then there's a little bladder right here. We're gonna pull that out too. Little bladder right there. Now we have access right here to the ink bag. So now what we're gonna do is take this container. As I mentioned, you need this specific container. I'll leave a link for it because it has this little nozzle right here, right? You might be able to do it. You might be able to do it with a syringe, but it's just going to be a lot more difficult and time consuming. So get that on right there. And now we have our ink bag that has very little ink in it, and we're going to fill it up. So we're gonna put this in here, right? And you gotta kind of go sideways a little bit. And then, I don't know if you can see that, but it's filling up. And really, that's all there is to it. See all that ink filling up there? Once you get the hang of it, it becomes routine. Ink spilling out the side already. All right, so the bag's not quite all the way full, but we did fill it up with this container here. So what we've done in the process is we've introduced a lot of air into the bag. So I'm going to show you how to quickly remove the air. I've seen a lot of people use a syringe and pull the air out, but I'm going to show you a quicker way that I do it here. So we're just going to find flat surface here, kind of pull all the air up, and all that air out, making a little bit of a mist. And we're just going to do that a few times just to make sure that all the air is out. There it is. Pretty much got all so a little bit messier than usual, but there's the ink bag. Ready to make some money.